Chrissy and I'm back at it again with another video, and in today's video I've partnered with DIMA Eyewear to do a quick little unboxing, try on, and review of their sunglasses. If you don't know, DIMA Eyewear is a company that offers good quality design style sunglasses at an affordable cost. So think affordable luxury. I'm super excited to try these glasses out. If you are interested, definitely keep on watching. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to become a part of the K-Stylers, as well as thumb this video up so I know you like it. I will leave all the links to these items in my description box below. Without further ado, let's just get into the review. So I got two sunglasses from DIMA Eyewear. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really nice, sleek, black. As you guys know, I am a stickler for packaging, so I think this is really nice that it actually came in its own, you know, branded box. So that's super nice. The first sunglasses that I will be reviewing for you guys in unboxing is the Ava Crystal Light Yellow sunglasses. We're going to start by unboxing them. So when we take her out of the box, she comes in this little black baggie that has DIMA on the front right here. So when we open her up, she comes in standard classic you know, packaging. When you get eyewear, they give you the little clear kind of like Ziploc bag, and then they have protection on the sides, or the hands as I like to call them, of the glasses, and also covering the actual lens and so forth. They go for $39.90. They are handmade with acetate frame. They're connected by Italy hinge, and they're 100% UVA UVB protection. They are a medium size. They are a unisex frame. The lens are premium scratch resistant polymer. So it is a square framed, but it does kind of have that cat eye extension in the upper corners, if you guys can see. The lens is green, but I will say it probably does come off a little dark, but I'll try to see if my camera can pick up that it is actually green, and I can definitely see the color going throughout it is yellow. It's very subtle. You have DIMA on the side of the frames on both sides. So here we go. We're gonna try her out. And this is what she looks like. Out of 10, what are we giving her? How does she look? She doesn't look bad. I like the sturdiness of the frame. I will say I don't feel this medium size will fit a large head. So if you do have a large head, it probably will not fit you. We can zoom in a little bit so you guys can see the side of how it fits. But pretty much this is what she looks like. I think it is perfect for spring, summer, any vacation look that you'd want to like just spice up and outfit a look without being too overly dramatic with the lens or like the color of the frame. But I don't know, I'm kind of like a sucker for clear frames recently, and I like that the lens are this green tint, but it's also tinted just enough to where I feel like you're not like looking straight at my eyeballs. Like it kind of gives a little mystery, if you know what I mean. So these frames are really thick and very sturdy. I don't know if you guys can see the thickness of these frames, but listen, these are really nice, good quality. And let's see if you guys can actually see the green. But yeah, so that is the Ava sunglasses. So moving on to glasses number 2. So the next glasses that I'll be unboxing for you guys is the Nova Aviators sunglasses. They are in the color gold. So let's unbox her. Again, very similar to the first box. Again, she comes in the black baggie. And then Again, she is in a little Ziploc bag, arms protected, as well as the actual lens. So as you guys can see, this is one of those, it's an actual like metal framed sunglasses. It's very thin on the arms. You still have the DIMA branded on both sides right here. So this is the Nova women's sunglasses. They are in the color gold turquoise. They are $49.90. They are, again, connected by Italy hinges. It is 100% UV plus UVB protection. Is a unisex sunglasses. It is not polarized, and it does have premium scratch resistant polymer. But let's go ahead and try her on and see how she looks. I kind of like it. I don't think I've actually ever owned a pair of aviators. Shocking. So this could definitely be like a Versace MK dupe, you know, if you not want to pay over $50 for a pair of sunglasses. I love the gold frames. I love that the lens is given this ombre effect, and I can't really tell from like having it on if the lens are as dark as I think they are, or if you guys can see my eyes on the camera. But I actually do like these. They fit pretty snug. They are comfortable. This is how they look on the side profile, which I think, you know, they're really nice. I feel like aviators are a nice pair of sunglasses to have in your closet. They're a classic. I just don't know why I don't have a pair. I guess I just gravitate towards more of the cat-eyed styles and the thick frames, which I'm trying to break out of and get a little bit more versatile in my, you know, sunglasses game. But I definitely like this. I think the quality is really nice. They're very, very sturdy pieces. And even like the nose bridge for both of them, they feel really nice. Even though this one, it does have the little, you know, the little butts by the nose bridge, they are comfortable. They sit really nice on my nose. And I think the gold is a nice gold color. It's not coming off like, you know, some golds are like super yellow. I feel like this is the nice, perfect gold. So yeah, love it. These sunglasses are great quality. They are affordable, and there are many different ones on their website that are great dupes for higher end luxury sunglasses. So if you do want to get nice quality affordable sunglasses to where you don't have to spend over $200 for a pair, then definitely go and check it out. They have this really nice Prada dupe sunglasses. So if you are a Prada girl and you just like that vibe, then definitely go ahead and check out DIMA Eyewear. I'll leave their website in my description box, as well as the links to these sunglasses. They also have different color looks for these sunglasses, so definitely go ahead and check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. It's your girl Chrissy, and I'm signing out. Bye.